Well, this week has been quite the adventure.
Just want to congratulate everybody and tell you how much of a pleasure it's been for me to be able to spend some time with you guys.
It's Friday. It's Friday.
Super proud of all of you for doing what you're doing. It's not easy, and it's been a lot, I'm sure, for you guys to try to cram into your brains over this week.
So this is about grant writing. I actually started my first year teaching writing grants just because I noticed there was things my kids needed and I needed, and we didn't have it.
Connect the Codair with a codex and remote control fly the thing. I've seen a lot of really good stuff out of you. You guys have done really well, and I know you're on a great track to make things even more awesome for your students as well this next year and beyond. So thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you.
Info Systems
Foundation USA.
USA.